Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by accepting the core fact. Messenger follows your device text size. Once you know that, open your phone settings. On Android, go to Display, then Font Size or Display Size. On iPhone, go to Accessibility, Display and Text Size, then Larger Text. Make sure Messenger is closed and reopened after changes. Otherwise, the app may not refresh. This first step places control at the system level, so you adjust the global scale that Messenger reads for rendering text. Now you fine-tune the size with the slider. Move slowly and watch the preview so you know how chat text will change. On Android, consider display size as well. It changes UI scale and message bubble spacing, which affects readability in Messenger. On iPhone, enable larger accessibility sizes if you need sizes above the default slider. This gives bigger jumps. Once set, close settings and reopen Messenger. This precise step ensures legibility without breaking layout or truncating timestamps. Finish by reopening Messenger and scanning several conversations to confirm the change. If text didn't update, force close Messenger or reboot the device so the app reloads system fonts. Make sure you didn't only change zoom or magnification. Those differ from font size. If UI elements break or overlap, reduce the display size a bit or return to default and try a smaller increment. This balances legibility and layout. That troubleshooting tip solves the most common problem when system.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.